Alrighty, this one is about getting to market and waiting for perfect.
Yeah. So the great thing about business, or the frustrating thing about business, is it's never perfect, right?
Never will be.
It's never perfect.
No.
And as a business owner, you need to be comfortable with the fact that you will always be striving for it to be better.
Yeah.
Not to be comfortable with imperfection, but comfortable with that you will always be in that mode of chasing better.
Tweaking, flexing, moving, shifting
Yeah.
to meet the market, to improve the brand, to improve the message, all that stuff.
always something to
It's
improve.
constant.
It's like whack-a-mole.
Yeah.
I got that one, but this other one pops
It pops up.
And
Yeah.
so there's always, something else to improve, readjust, and sometimes you actually go through and adjust something, and it's maybe it was worse than what it was. You got to go back and go again.
Yeah. There's none of this set and forget stuff.
No,
It's
I think
yeah.
we often we get trained into a mode of thinking where that's done now. And in business, it's kind of not really how
It's
it is.
never done, is it?
Yeah. Because the market's changing. Everything's changing. Market's changing. Products are changing.
Technology, so many layers of business is changing.
It's constantly changing.
How you do things, how you connect with people,
Yeah.
what apps are out there, systems, so many. Yeah.
And even people's expectations. If you've got people in the business, they're always changing through their life and how committed or whatever else it is that they are. So all of those things, always need tweaking. And so, I think get comfortable with the fact that you always will be chasing that something to be better. You need to get that business to market because the sooner you can get it out, that's your key competitive advantage.
Yes,
get
it out there.
Marketplace.
Don't hold it close to your chest.
Yeah.
It's not perfect. Get comfortable with it and launch it.
Get going. It's where the learning takes place. It's where you're where you can start to get out ahead of your competitors.
Yep.
You can start to, the sooner you launch, the sooner you can start to tweak.
To improve. Improve as you go.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that's super important. If you're one of these business owners that's concerned about someone copying your idea or you need to be very protective of your idea or your business. The sooner that you can get that business out and launched, the sooner that you can start to get the jump on the market. And I always reference Tesla in this front, so Elon Musk. So the head start that Tesla has got in the electric car market now, it's very, very
Massive.
difficult for the even the mainstay players, the Toyotas, the General Motors, the Volkswagens.
They're playing catch up.
They're playing a decade of catch up now because the amount of kilometres that have been travelled in those vehicles. So the sooner that you can get your business launched, started, you start to learn, you're getting information from the marketplace. That could be around the quality of your product, that could be around the price point of your product, it could be around the location of your business.
Who are your customers?
That's it. Working out your
it's
demographic,
shifting and
all of that
moving
stuff.
it. Yeah.
The sooner you get going, the sooner you start learning.
Building that intelligence about how to move and shift your business. We've spoken about it before. Our brand has evolved considerably. What we offer has changed considerably, and it's just
the fundamentals don't change. But
the purpose is still there. The goals are still there. How it's boxed up and delivered.
How the product's delivered. And you only get those learnings from launching. So get it out, start learning, get it out, and start getting ahead of your competitors, and start growing as soon as possible. Start to just get that growth. Get it going, get out there and get going. The other thing is to get commercial as soon as possible. Is that at least when you get going and you start to sell your product or service, you can start to get some cash flow through the business.
And that widens your opportunity of how you can improve the business and how you can improve the product and service and offering. It's just an enabler. So don't sit on it. Don't feel it needs to be perfect. And whether we're talking about brand or the design or the product, of the packaging of the product, the pricing of the product, get it to market, test the market, check with the market, ask your customers, why did you buy? What was the thing that was compelling? And shift and tweak this thing.
Look, until you actually sell the product, that's when the learning starts.
Yeah.
And so, if you're there, you're designing, maybe you're just building up an inventory, you're tweaking, whatever else. The sooner you can start to sell that product, the sooner you can at least start to get not just the feedback, but you get the vital cash flow through to then, maybe that pays for the next round of product you do, or maybe it's paying for some advertising, or but it's really important to get commercial as soon as you can to start to get the funding through the business, right?
Yeah, because you might be delivering it in a manner that you don't want to deliver that way. Manually, it's all you at the moment.
Yeah.
That cash flow enables you to put the systems in place, outsource, improve the product packaging. Yeah, so it's such an enabler. So
Yep. So, hey, the business is never going to be perfect.
No.
Never going to be perfect. Get comfortable with the fact that you're always striving for it to be, something better than what it is today. Get commercial as soon as you can. Get that cash flow coming through the business. It's really, really key to do that. And it gives you get out speed to market and grow as quick as possible, because that's the moat around your business. That's protecting you. The further out ahead you
that's
can get,
building that moat around your business.
Yeah, remember the Tesla analogy. Like that's further you can get out ahead, the further you can do your product development and your marketing development and understand your customer. That's the head start against your competitors.